Castore is UK premium sportswear brand. They sponsor Andy Murray and McLaren F1. So I asked ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity for the best premium alternative to Nike and Adidas, and only two of them mentioned Castore. Half of the AI search market doesn't know they exist. Let me show you how I figured out why. This UK brand scored 50% in AI search. Then I changed one word. It hit 100%. Here is what that one word was, and why it might mean your whole AI strategy is upside down. I tested 5 UK e-commerce brands: Gymshark, Lounge, Castore, Hotel Chocolate, Bloom and Wild, in ChatGPT, Code, Gemini and Perplexity. 2 prompts per brand. One was the kind of clean query a marketing team writes. The other was how real customers actually type. I expected the raw customer queries to tank those brands. The opposite happened in 2 out of 5. And the brand that flipped it hardest tells me the whole story. Now let's configure the query. I enter brand name, I enter topic, and after I'm going to choose industry category. Now we're going to choose industry categories because in different categories we will receive different answers and different score. The next and the last field is business type because from it very depends what AI chat will answer. And now we begin, just clicking run audit. Customer on the marketer query, 50% SOV, only 2 of 4 models cited them. ChatGPT and Gemini knew the brand. Claude and Perplexity didn't. The TH report flagged preference at 50. Watch band. Mid-tier result, the brand is half visible, depending on which AI customer happens to use. Look at which AI assistants as they gave. ChatGPT and Gemini cited Castore. Claude and Perplexity didn't. That's not noise. That's half of the AI search market not knowing the brand exists for this query. A customer using Claude or Perplexity right now would see competitors, not Castore. Look at the rank. 2.5 average. Even when Castore is cited, they're showing up second or third in the answer, not first. That's an authority problem. The AI doesn't see Castore as the default answer for this query. It sees them as secondary mention behind Nike, Adidas, Lululemon. Authority is what moves you from third place to first. One bright spot, sentiment 85 out of 100. When the AI doesn't mention Castore, it speaks positively about the brand. That's the foundation. No bad press, no reputation problem to dig out of. The brand is fighting a visibility problem, not a perception problem. And visibility is much easier to fix than a reputation. Now the diagnostic. GEOlike Visibility Index 74. That's the composite score across all 5 items. Presence, clarity, coverage, authority, preference. The triage report runs the worst first. Preference is the critical one here, sitting in the watch band. That tells the content team exactly where to focus. Not generic geo advice, but a specific vital that's costing customers citations on this query. That's the full picture for one query, one brand, 50% SUV, 2 models cited, 2 missed. Rank 2.5, positive sentiment. The triage report flagged preference as a critical fix. None of that came from guessing. It came from running one audit at geolikeapro.com. You can run yours free. Link in description. Subscribe and I walk through what happens when you change one query. The answer is going to surprise you.